You've got a document open in Photoshop. You want to create a new document with exactly the same dimensions. How do you do that? You can go to Image and then down to Duplicate. Click OK. Then Edit and then Fill. And then fill it with white and click OK. And there you have it. Very quick, newly opened document. Exactly same dimensions as the previous one. You can make it even easier by using actions. Go to the window menu and actions. Just go here to the right side, click here and new action. Give it a name, duplicate and record. Go up to the image menu and down to duplicate. Click OK and you'll see the action being stored there. You can then go to edit and then fill and set it to white and click OK. And you can see it there as well. Once you've done that, you can then go up here, click here and go to button mode, which makes it even faster. You can see your duplicate action there. Here's a completely different image. All you need to do is go to duplicate and then you've got a copy here, exactly the same dimensions as before, super quick.